This is the main entrance of Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology. The parking area at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology is thoughtfully designed to ensure safety, convenience, and easy accessibility for students and staff. The Boys Hostel at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology offers a safe, comfortable, and homely environment for students. Designed to support both academic focus and personal well-being, the hostel provides well-maintained rooms, essential amenities, and a peaceful atmosphere. With dedicated study spaces, hygienic dining facilities, and 24/7 security. Students from above, Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology reveals its true grandeur. A vast green campus designed to inspire learning and innovation. Surrounded by nature and thoughtfully planned infrastructure. Every corner of the campus reflects excellence and vision. The front view of Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology reflects its strong foundation in education and excellence. With its impressive architecture and well-planned infrastructure, the conference hall at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology is a hub for knowledge sharing, innovation, and collaboration. Equipped with modern audio-visual facilities, it provides the perfect environment for seminars, workshops, and academic discussions. The Girls' Gym at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology is a dedicated space that promotes health, fitness, and confidence among students. Equipped with modern fitness equipment, the CRT Lab at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology is dedicated to shaping students for successful careers. Focused on campus recruitment training. This lab equips students with essential skills in aptitude, reasoning, communication, and technical. The Engineering Workshop at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology is where theory transforms into practical knowledge. Equipped with advanced tools and machinery, the workshop provides hands-on training in core engineering skills, from machining and fabrication to real-time project work. Students gain valuable experience that bridges the gap between. The Physics Laboratory at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology lays the foundation for scientific understanding and analytical thinking. Equipped with modern instruments and experimental setups, the Control Systems Lab at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology focuses on understanding the behavior and stability of dynamic systems. With advanced equipment and the library at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology is a center of knowledge, learning, and research. With a vast collection of books, journals, and the museum at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology is a unique space that showcases knowledge, innovation, and creativity. Featuring a collection of models, exhibits, and educational displays, it helps students connect theoretical concepts with the Database Management Systems Lab at Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology focuses on building strong skills in data storage, management, and retrieval. With hands-on training in SQL and database design, students learn to create, manage, and optimize databases efficiently. Through practical sessions and real-time applications, they gain a clear understanding of how data drives modern systems.